Hawak.
Okay, thank you. Ngayon na ako outpatient. For 2 weeks, I heard the still na 3 times a day.
Sige, kinawito.
Ito. Oh. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up ka.
Stand up. Up.
Yan. Oh. Let me see your mouth. Oh, very small. Your mouth very small. Get one. Yan. Oh, you get. Okay. Are you open? Open mo ha. Open. Yun. Okay. Open. Yun. Ay, sit down. Wow, very good. Let's see. Yun. Other side. Pinapayuko mo ko, naiibigil yung tiyan ko eh. Yan. Sige, isa pa. Okay. White tayo. White tayo na white. Okay. White natin yung laway. Yan. Okay. Ano ba nakaramdaman nitong bata na ito? May sipon ba? Ano po yung naman? Na-x-ray na to?
Oh, clear.
Clear. Hindi masakit pa, darling? Hindi masakit? Hindi ba nag-primary complex?
Hindi pa.
Wala siyang mga kulani sa leg.
Ay, may kulani.
Ay, tinan mo yun. Okay. Approve. Ganito. Tuturo ko siya. Appear. Ganyan. Appear. Tapos ganun. Disappear. 1/2. 1/4. Okay? 1/2. Disappear. Appear. Okay? Okay. Oh, isa pa. Appear. Disappear. 1/2. 1/4. 1/4. 1/2. Disappear. Appear. Very good. Ang bilis naman turuan nito.